Hi guys, I'm going to show you a quick installation video of the Vinnie's Garage BMW E30 Cold Air intake, or as some may call it, the headlight replacement kit. If you want more sound or a little bit better throttle response, people switch to an open air filter, but these also suck in warm air from the engine bay. In order to get extra fresh air, I have this headlight replacement kit, which is a straight fit for the Type 2 models. There are several do-it-yourself intake videos of race cars, but haven't found a single one who looks decent enough on a road car. The Touring is just a hobby car, but I'm gonna put this engine in from the compact 318 Ti, which also has the open air filter, as you can see. That's why I'm going to show you this set on my Touring to see if it fits. You can install the intake without removing the entire headlight unit, but it's much easier to do so. Now I can show you the benefits of this intake. It requires no drilling or cutting, and you can always put back the high beam light. Removing this high beam light is a little bit tricky, and there's a big chance one of the pins will break, because these get rusty and are over 25 years old. I will try to show you the small difference in the unit, where the middle mount is flat, but the two side mounts have a small angle. The intake has the same mounts, so it fits great.